Hi, my name is John Price, Sales and Design Manager for E.C.D Auto Design. Today we're going to take a few moments to go over the different layouts that we offer on our custom vehicles. So as you can see here, a client can actually choose anywhere from a 9-seater configuration down to a 5-seating configuration. In fact, even 4 if need be. So we give them full liberty as to which option they prefer to have based on practicality aspects, of course, and the comfort that they're looking to obtain with that layout. What is shown in here is the maximum capacity that we have on a vehicle, which is up to 9. That'll give you 2 in the front row, 3 in the middle row, and 4 passengers in the cargo area. Now, of course, you can do indefinite things with that. You can have 2 bench seats in the rear, or 4 jump seats, no seats at all, maybe a custom drawer in the back for cargo. So again, those are things that we normally would explore during the design phase, so our clients get a full understanding of the capabilities and, of course, the different options that they have. Of course, some of the key elements that are very important to our clients in the seating layout would be knowing the height, of course, and size overall of the driver, and also how many people they will need to accommodate based on their family size, etc. So in those instances, we try to figure out what will be the best fit in terms of the seat layout and also the seat type that we can use to accommodate their needs. For instance, if you have someone who is 6'4", 6'6" in height, we can provide rail extensions and also set up the middle row seats to go far back. That way you will give a little bit of extra room for the passenger, from the driver, and also the passengers behind. So again, it's those little things that we can play with to make sure that we simply cover the client's needs. And here's a good example of a custom storage solution that we may offer to our clients. We have a rolling door that could be installed in the back or in the cargo area. Now, of course, that would eliminate any seats in the back, but for those folks that want to have seating for 4 or 5 and will rather have something where they can store anything they might see fit in there, this might be a good possibility, of course, for their layout as well. Now, for those folks who are looking at maximizing the capacity of their fenders, we offer 3 different options. You can go with a more conventional bench style seat. We'll have 2 facing inwards. Have 4 inward facing jump seats. Of course, they also fold up. Or the forward facing jump seats that are almost the size of a conventional seat and will have a 3-point hardness to adjust them as well. So again, depending on how much room you want to have in the back or how large of a passenger you'd like to accommodate, we have, of course, just 3 different options for folks to choose from. So here we have a perfect example of a 9-passenger seating layout. So this truck, as you can see here, has got 4 individual jump seats. Each one of them pulls up as well for more cargo space. And each one will have individual seat belts. Then in the middle row here, we'll actually find a 60-40 split seat that you can see out there for 3 passengers. The backrests fold completely flat in case you want to add more cargo space to it. And of course, in the front, you have your conventional 2 seats. So again, 2 + 3 + 4, you have your 9-passenger capacity. And again, that's if you want to maximize the space that you have in the car. Now, here behind me, you have a vehicle with a more unconventional layout, and let me show you how. The client wanted to have basically clapton chairs in the first 2 rows. So you have 2 buckets, and then 2 inward-facing jump seats in the back. Again, he was trying to at least get some jump seats out there so that the occasional passenger could jump in. but at the same time maximize the cargo space. And as you can see, we have, of course, an overextended center console to accommodate the larger subwoofer. But at the same time, he can still lay out his golf clubs when he goes to play. And lastly, I can show you what we could do if you decide not to have any seats, but instead have some custom storage solution. For instance, here, this client decided to have a slide-in drawer. Now, of course, we can set it up differently. We can make it look, of course, with a different finish, be more tailored to the client's needs and aesthetic. But this one, for instance, the client wanted to have this rubber pad on top, make it a little bit more durable, and had a custom drawer itself in leather and diamond stitch. So all in all, I hope that this gives you a pretty good idea of the different layouts and seating options that we offer. Of course, every client is different, and we will have to chat with you and figure out what's the best suit for your needs. But please reach out to us. Check us out online, and thanks for watching.